This is the beautiful Vintage Coach Stewardess Bag in the somewhat rare color Burgundy. And the style number for Stewardess bags was 9525. And this specific bag was made in the original New York City factory, and I would estimate it was likely made sometime in the 80s. So as you can see, this is more of a medium to large size bag. And I'll go ahead and show you more of the bag itself now. So it does come with a matching shoulder strap that is adjustable up here. As you can see, you can adjust the strap, and then it's also got a turn lock closure here on the front of the bag to open the bag. And then here's what the sides of the bag look like. It's got this large buckle here as well on the straps. And then here's the back of the bag. And this one doesn't come with a back pocket. It's just a straight across seam right here. And then we'll go ahead and open the bag, and I'll show you the other pockets on the inside. So it's got this small pocket right here, and then it's got a larger slip pocket up here. And then on the inside, it does come with a zip pocket along the back of the bag. So here's where the zip pocket is located. So you do have another large zip pocket in the back, so you could keep this as a separate compartment within the bag. And then of course it's got the Coach Creed. It's back here. I'll go ahead and insert a better photo so you can see it up close and see that it's authentic. So that's the beautiful Stewardess bag in the color Burgundy. I would say that finding a Stewardess bag in this specific color is somewhat more on the rare side, so it's a great collector's piece and it's just beautiful. So it is available on our Etsy shop, so I will of course link it below if you wanted to check it out. But otherwise, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the bag, and I'll see you in the next video.